LinkedIn, why you need it and how it's gonna literally save your life. I freaking love LinkedIn so much. I was like you, I didn't think that it was gonna be this superpower, but it is, and that is what we're gonna talk about today. Hello, hi, I'm Elle. On this channel we talk about all things film. We do fun things, do educational things, we do short films, we do everything that's under the art, photography, media, film umbrella. That's what we do. But today specifically we're going to talk about how to start your connections, how to even grow, how to put your name out there. The first steps. The first steps of getting anywhere is that you need to connect with people. And I didn't have this before. I only had Instagram and like dabbled a little bit in like Facebook and all that, but not LinkedIn, which will now help you on so many things. And this is why. The most important thing to understand about LinkedIn is that it's a professional space. It's cool and witty and you've got all of that, but it's a professional space. So if you actually want to get serious about growth, go to LinkedIn. And I'm learning new things all the time. I'm taking courses on how to market yourself on LinkedIn. And so far it has proven to be the best, fastest growing and most respectable place to grow yourself. I started my LinkedIn account February 2021. I've got over the 500 plus sign, which is all you can get really in LinkedIn. Like you can get thousands of followers, but it will only show 500 plus. Once you pass 500, you're the only person who knows how many followers you have. On top of that, it doesn't show your follower to followee ratio, so people don't know how many people you're following on top of that. So it's really good for confidence. Getting back to it, I have had a job offer. I've met so many nice people. Some, strange ones too, but you're gonna get that on social media. So many nice people in my field that I want to work in, so filmmaking, photography, art, all of that. So many nice people, so many cool connections, and real connections, like real people that you're not really gonna get spam the same way that you do on Instagram. And Business Insider has ranked it the most trustworthy social media site for 3 years in a row. Like, that's some banging stuff, 3 years in a row. And my god, I just sound like an advert for everything that I talk about on this channel. But honestly, LinkedIn, if you want to grow yourself and get serious about your growth, you're gonna see some actual results on LinkedIn. And you're not gonna get bogged down with this unfollow thing. You're not gonna it's not like that. It's not a toxic environment like that. You don't worry about, oh, what do people think of me? You just put your best self out there and people will come to you. I'm going to take you to my LinkedIn account now. We're just going to go through it really quickly. Basically, what I did to start is that you sign up. It's a free account, put in all your details. Don't be fake. That's the only thing. Do not be fake. But as you can see, the first thing I did after signing up, got myself a really nice banner. You can do that in Canva. Just type in LinkedIn banner. It will come up with the dimensions for you, and you put in nice pictures. And then bam, you've got a really nice banner, because that's going to draw people in. You want people to come to your page. On top of that, I put in a nice picture of myself. Write your name, who you are, what I am. Don't be fake. You got to be real. Moving on, I put myself a little about. Spend some time on your about, because it's very personal. LinkedIn, people are trying to actually seek good connections. So spend a little time on your about. Next thing I did was add media. Also wrote an article, but it's a little bit outdated now. And then finally put in some experience that you have. You don't have to get really into your experience at all. Like if you are completely new, you don't have anything, tell people that you're in education and that you're learning and that you're looking for the opportunity, because as soon as you do, people will be like, oh wow, they're great, get them in, because that is the way forward. Just be honest, be yourself, tell people what you're working on. Or if you're not working on anything at all and that you need help and guidance in that sort of area, people are going to respect you for that. And people aren't expecting a perfect product. They're looking for people who are willing to develop themselves. And putting it on LinkedIn will get you the way forward. Now, don't get me wrong, you do have to connect with people. And all you do is say, I've already got filmmakers there. Put in something like filmmakers, because that's who I'm looking for. That's the sort of network that I want to be in. Type in filmmakers or whatever profession, photographers, writers, whatever you do, type it in and connect with them. Now, you are going to have a limit on how many people you can connect to, but even if every day you set yourself a challenge of I don't know, 20 people to connect to a day, that's going to be great, because every post that you put out and one person interacts with it, that's going to be great, because any one of those people, on those 20 people that you connect with, their whole network will see what you've posted. You don't have to be mad on LinkedIn. You don't have to be crazy with time. Just be present. Keep connecting every single day, and you're going to see results. But that's it for now. I'm really sorry that was just full of technical stuff. But if you're just starting out, it's really good. And the only thing that I want on this channel more than anything is for people to find their truth, because you're the only person living every single day of your life. You've got to go do it. At least just try it. There is no other way. I want to share that philosophy, and if one person sees it and thinks, yeah, I'm gonna do it, that's gonna make my day. Absolutely make my day. And I really hope that you guys comment or DM me anything. I just want to see you be successful, because we have to create. If you're an artist, you have to create. You have to share it with the world, and being your unique self is so important. Anyway, I'll leave you all for now, and check in at some point if you want to do that. If not, I love you and leave you. Goodbye.